Hi, my dear children. We have learned I sound words. Do you remember? See, this is a fig tree. See how much big is this? Isn't it? It's a very big, a large. See, a large number of how many bunches? See, F-I-G fig. Do you remember? F-I-G fig. This is a fig fruit. Okay? See? See? This is a fig tree. Spell the word fig. Spell F-A-G. F. The sound of F come from the letter F, isn't it? F-I-G. The sound is F-A-G. Fig. I sound word. We have already learned so many words. Now I am remind you fig. This is a fig tree. It's a big fig tree. Okay, children? Hi, children. Last class we have learned I sound words. Now we are going to learn O sound words. So I am introducing some new things which are very familiar to you. Do you remember the story that you have heard, the wise crow? What did the crow do when it was thirsty? Yes, it picked some pebbles. Why did the crow pick the pebbles? Because there were little water. Where was the water? Is it in a bucket or a bottle? Yes, it was in a pot. It was in a pot. See, what is it? It's a pot. Pot. Say a rhyming word. Pot, cot. How can we make a rhyming word? You have already learned that to make rhyming word. Children, I am keeping my pen in my pouch. Then, where do you keep your pencils? Yes, you are keeping your pencils in a box. Is it a box? Yes. See, what's it in color? It's in orange color. Isn't it? What's its shape? It's a rectangle shape. See, I am opening this. See, how many pencils are here? 1, 2, 3, 4 pencils. Isn't? Children, after writing, you should keep your pencils in your pencil box. You don't throw the pencils here and there. Okay? Can you name the thing which is meant for wiping the floor? Yes, right. It is mop. See, what is it? It is a mop. This is used to wipe the floor. Okay. Let's meet some O sound words. 1. B-O-X box. F-O-X fox. P-O-X pox. C-O-T cot. P-O-T pot. H-O-T hot. D-O-G dog, L-O-G log, F-O-G fog, M-O-B mob, N-O-B knob, S-O-B soap, M-O-P mop, H-O-P hop, T-O-P top. Children, you should write these words in your 4-line notebook. Okay? Children, now we are going to make a paper pup. Paper dog. Okay? This is a rectangle shaped paper. Then you have to make it as a square paper. Square paper. See? Okay. Now it's a square paper. Okay? Same. The length and width will be same. This is a square paper. Then fold it diagonally. Okay? Then the two sides fold it downwards. Then these two sides fold it inwards. See? Finished. Okay? Then you have to draw two eyes. One nose. Write a W. Okay? Then take another square paper and fold it like this wise. See? Keep it in the side, inside. Okay? See, what is it? It's a paper dog. Do you like this? Children, make a paper puppet at your home. Okay? Then we can learn to draw a dog. See? You know. Ha. What is this letter? Ha. Draw eyes. Ears. See? Dog. D-O-G. Here this is also a dog. D-O-G. Dog. Okay? Practice it at home. See, this is our semester text. O sound words. Word families. Let's meet word families with a short vowel O sound in the middle and let's read them aloud. Mop, rope, soap, hop, job. Coat, pot, rod, god, nod. Dog, jog, log, fog, hog. Cop, mop, top, hop, pop. Cot, hot, pot, dot, got, not. Page number 20. See, the T is dash. T is hot. H-O-T. Hot. The boy has a top. T-O-P. The dash in the box. Pen, den, pen. P-E-N. The dash is behind the tree. Fox. F-O-X. The dash is a fish. Cod, cod, cod. C-O-D. Okay, children, do this activity nicely. Bye.